I get paid $30 per hour working on Upwork as a complete beginner. And in this video, I'm gonna explain why you are not getting hired. I'm pretty sure if you haven't got any job here on Upwork yet, you make most of these mistakes. And the first mistake, I call it of don't call me bro. So what do I mean by that? Let's suppose you already have a good profile, you have a good profile picture, you have your title, description, everything improved, your portfolio, your presentation video, you've added your skills, testimonials, employment history, certifications, you know how to search for the projects you want to work with. But then when it comes to the right moment, you don't know how to create the best cover letter. When you're typing your proposal, don't be unprofessional. Would you call your boss of bro saying what's up? You don't do that. So be respectful when typing your cover letter. Hello, Josh. Nice to meet you. Be respectful. If you're not respectful, you're not gonna get hired for most of these jobs. The second biggest mistake is committing spelling and grammar mistakes. So type the words correctly is very important as well. So let's suppose you're gonna write this. I don't liking this. This phrase right here is incorrect grammatically. If I was about to hire someone here on Upwork and I would read this, I would never hire this freelancer. This is a grammar mistake. And this is a spelling mistake. Type the words incorrectly. So the overall structure of your proposal needs to be very well created. And you gotta agree with me, it's not that hard to be professional, right? And the next mistake is what I call clients are not robots. At the same time you need to be professional, you need to understand that the person trying to hire you, they are not robots. They are human beings. So let's suppose you like this project right here. I'm gonna click on the project, YouTube growth specialist needed. When you read the description, you need to understand that someone wrote this. Someone with feelings, someone with necessities. They want to hire a professional that is gonna understand the job, that is gonna put in effort into the job. You need to go back, read the whole project's description carefully, understand what are the most important points of the project, and once you read everything and understand what they want from you, then you're gonna create a high quality proposal. It needs to be tailored, so that way you can connect the points of the description with your proposal, making that you will connect with the project creator. Another mistake I see pretty often here on Upwork is that most of the newcomers here on Upwork, they usually are pretty lazy. Let's agree with that. You join Upwork, then you spend few minutes here trying to find a project, and then you scroll down for a few minutes, 3, 4, 10 minutes, then you leave the platform and never come back. If you want to find a good project here on Upwork, you need to be here on Upwork. Upwork is not gonna send you any job on your email unless you are invited, which usually takes some time to start. So if you want to find a good project, make sure you spend time here active in the platform. So you look for a project, you read the project, you create a good proposal, then you come back 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, do your research a little more, improve your profile, improve your proposals. If you're lazy, especially in the beginning, nobody's gonna see you. After some time in the platform with some projects in progress, then you won't be able to be that active. You're gonna be working the projects, you're gonna get invited to the projects, but in the beginning you need to be seen. Improve your profile, improve your proposals, and spend time here active on Upwork. And once you do that, you're active here on Upwork, you're looking for good projects for you, and you still haven't got a job, you probably need to be making some little tweaks in the process. You probably need to adjust your profile picture, your profile title, your profile description. You're gonna need to come up with better proposal templates. If you don't have a presentation video yet, you need to create one. You're gonna need to improve your portfolio. You're gonna need to be adjusting those until you get a good project. There is no secret in your profile, there is no secret in your proposal, there is no secret in finding the best projects. You actually need to understand how the whole platform works, how the process works. Study a little more about how to create the best proposal, study a little more about how to finding the best projects through your profile. Then you're gonna be able to get some results just like me. As a complete beginner with few months online in the platform, I got over $10,000 with a little over than 300 hours of work. And if we do the mathematics for this, I'm gonna divide for 333. As you can see, I got over $30 per hour working here on Upwork as a complete beginner. Anyway, if you like this video and you wanna be successful here on Upwork, check out all the other links in the description. Those are very helpful links that can help you finally get your first project here on Upwork. As always, much love and I see you soon.